Do you know how to type on a keyboard? Because if you do, that's all you need to be able to make $250 or more every single day just by typing. And it might sound too good to be true, but trust me when I tell you, I tried this myself, it works. And I'm gonna show you exactly how you can earn more than $250 every single day just by typing. Stay tuned. All right guys, so let's kick this off, and before we actually get started and get too far into this, we're gonna show you a hack that actually allows you to do this even if you suck at typing, even if you hate typing. We're gonna show you how to do this way faster than anyone else and in a way that's gonna allow you to write more content so you can get paid more money. So the website that we're gonna be talking about today is called Text Broker. And what Text Broker is basically an intermediary that connects writers of content with companies that want to buy a ton of content, right? Because with SEO, there's constant need. On textbroker.com, there's literally over 50,000 companies that are constantly looking for new articles for SEO, right? Search engine optimization to try to rank on Google. There's companies that need blog posts written. There's companies that have a constant need for brand new actual content, and they're paying people to be able to do this. And what Text Broker is, right? This is a long-standing company. It's not some scam. It's not something that's not gonna pay you, right? I literally tried out Text Broker myself, and they did pay me exactly how they said they were going to, right? So Text Broker is completely legit, not a scam, 100% works. All you have to do is just a simple few things to be able to actually start earning money from Text Broker today, right? Because people make a very critical mistake, which is what really holds people back from being able to generate, $250, $300 every single day just by typing. And we're gonna break down exactly what that mistake is and how to actually expedite and be able to start earning money from this site much sooner than you might think. And you can see right here on the Text Broker site that there's very legitimate, massive companies using this, right? Yoast, Staples, right? We've all heard of eBay, right? Big companies that are using this. But what I wanna show you guys actually is the up here and where it says why write for Text Broker, right? Why write for Text Broker? Because basically what Text Broker is, it connects companies or people that want content and people who are willing to write that content. But what I like about Text Broker is that you can literally you can request a weekly payoff as soon as you've earned $10 or more, right? Which is very, very quickly. We don't have to wait 30 days like some affiliate programs and other ways to make money. You can get paid literally as soon as a week, which is huge. Another thing that I really like about Text Broker is it doesn't cost any money to get started, right? You don't have to go out and buy equipment. Like most of us have a phone or a computer, right? And I'm gonna show you a method in a few minutes where you can crank out content so much faster than your competition, which is gonna essentially make you, way more money actually doing it. And I really wanna show you guys just how much you can actually make doing this. So if we hover over I write content and payment and come down to this little open order earnings calculator, what we see here is if you actually type 1,000 words, and remember with normal sizing and everything like that, 500 words is about one page, right? So 1,000 words is only 2 pages of writing, and you literally can make $50 for just writing 2 pages, right? And most of us could do that in a lot less than an hour. So you could actually be making even $50 or more per hour just writing from your computer, which is really crazy if you think about it, because 1,000 words is only 2 pages. Most people can write more than 2 pages in a single hour, which means that you would be making more than $50 per hour just to type. All you have to do is submit a single piece of text as showing your skills as a writer. They'll give you a rating and then you can get started and get paid in as soon as a week just for writing content. But you're probably saying to yourself, okay, Kevin, but what about the trick you talked to us about during this video at the beginning? How do I actually make 5 times this? How do I write a 5,000 word article in an hour? And how do I make up to $250 an hour literally by typing? I'm not saying you can do this right away. It's going to take some experience, right? But earning up to $250 an hour just to type and write content, right? Just typing on your computer is crazy, right? So even if it takes you, a year to get that good at this, it's a great way to start making some passive income, and the better you get, right, the more you can earn. So the trick is using what's called voice typing, right? Voice typing basically transcribes your voice, because most people can't type 5,000 words an hour, right? But a lot of us can actually talk 5,000 words an hour. And if you talk and you have a program that can actually, using voice typing to actually transcribe what you say in speech into a text article, what that's gonna allow you to do is type a ton more actual content, right? Which is gonna essentially get you paid a ton more via text broker. So all you have to do is get what's called Google Docs, right? And if you come into Google Docs, right, and you go to tools, and then you go to voice typing or press Command-Shift-S. When you turn that on, right, all you have to do is click to speak, and then literally you just sit in front of your computer and you talk about content, right? Do some research beforehand, read a blog, watch a YouTube channel, and once you understand it, then literally all you have to do is talk as much as you possibly can about that subject to generate content, right? And it doesn't have to be the best content in the world. Remember, these companies that are buying this content from Text Broker oftentimes are doing so because they need it for search engine optimization for Google so that their website ranks, right? It doesn't have to be Pulitzer Prize best-selling author book stuff, right? It just has to be content that is unique and is not copied from somewhere else. You can earn up to $250 per hour if you were able to generate a 5,000 word article, and you were getting paid for that highest level of quality. So one little thing is Text Broker is only actually for US citizens, right? So if you aren't in the USA or you just want to learn how to make money on YouTube without making any videos of yourself, then what I would definitely do is check out this video right here, how to make $100 per day on YouTube. So check out this video, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how this weird top 10 fastest trains in the world video made over $117,000 profit. And the most important part, how anyone, anywhere, even if you have zero experience and zero